Have you seen those viral photos where people look like real Bandai collectible figures? Let's break down how it's done with the Bandai-style AI art prompt. First, you'll need an AI image generator. The most popular one right now is Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash, also known as a Nano banana model. This is the engine that powers the entire trend. Next, choose a clear full-body photo of yourself, a friend, or any character you want to turn into a figurine. Full-body shots work best because the AI needs to capture the pose, outfit, and details. Now comes the magic. The prompt. The secret recipe looks something like this. Create a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of the character in the picture in a realistic style on a round, transparent acrylic base. Place the figure on a computer desk. On the monitor, show the ZBrush sculpting process. And next to it, add a Bandai-style toy box with artwork of the same character. When you feed this prompt into Gemini with your photo, the AI generates a hyper-realistic image. It looks just like a promotional product shot straight from Bandai's catalog, complete with shiny packaging and studio lighting. The result? A jaw-dropping image that makes it seem like your character has been turned into an official action figure. That's why it's blowing up online. It's fun, it's stylish, and it makes ordinary photos look like collectible art. So, if you want to hop on the trend, grab a clean full-body photo, use the Bandai-style prompt, and let the AI do the rest. Who knows, you might just see yourself boxed up like the next limited edition figure.